Welcome to online teaching of St. Thomas School. We are going to study moral science subject, chapter number 7, Scriptures in Gandhi's life. Scripture means holy books of our religion. Page number 20, first paragraph. All the major religions have their own scriptures. Scripture is mainly the codified form of the teachings of the founders of religions. The principles and values of each religion also can be seen in scriptures. People belonging to different religions believe their scriptures as sacred words of God. They read it often and get strength and useful directions and guidelines for their life. The sacred scripture being solace to the afflicted and courage to the timid. It directs the path of saints and formulates laws for people to lead a worthy, peaceful life. My dear students, in this paragraph it is said, many religions are there, especially in India, and their own scriptures there. Means holy book. Scripture is mainly codified form of the teachings of the founder of religions. All the information of founders given, the principles and values of each religion is given in the scripture. Those who are following the different religions, they are believing in the scripture as a sacred words of God. Every day, most probably, we are reading scriptures in order to get strength, in order to get power, in order to get direction, in order to get guideline for our life. And that is very good. We will get courage. We can come out from the fear. We are getting the direction for path. And we can have peaceful life. Next paragraph. In history, we can see a number of people who were inspired by religious teachings and who devoted their entire life to fulfill the directions of sacred scriptures. Mahatma Gandhi was no exception. He admits that he was much influenced by the teaching of different scriptures and their teachings. It is true that Gandhiji did not blindly follow any religious text, but he studied almost the scriptures and tried to live by them. Gandhi was influenced by their teaching. He could realize the value of them and he translated those values into his life. Two major scriptures that influenced Gandhiji were the Bhagavad Gita and the Bible, especially the Sermon on the Mount. In this paragraph, we can say about the history. Many people who were inspired by religions, They learned many more things about the devotion of entire life to fulfill the direction of sacred scriptures. And Mahatma Gandhi also was one of them. Mahatma Gandhi also influenced by different scriptures because he learned many more things from holy book. And that is true. We know very well. Gandhiji did not blindly follow any religious. He studied first everything in a perfect manner. Gandhi was influenced by their teaching and he could realize the value of them. And therefore, he understood the importance of values in life. So, my dear students, we are going to discuss about the two major religious scriptures, Bhagavad Gita and Bible, especially the Sermon on the Mount. Gandhi and the Gita. Gandhi first read Gita when he was a second year law student in London. He admits it was shameful not to have read it until the age of 20. For the Gita is sacred to Hinduism as the Quran is to Islam and the Bible to Christianity. Gandhiji was of the opinion that every believer should read the scripture of his or her religion. It is by living the principles and values of religion that a person becomes a true follower of that religion. Mere rituals and customs will not make a person a believer. The Gita is a song. The Bhagavad Gita is the song of God or song of heaven. Gandhiji valued it. When doubts haunt me, when disappointments stare me in the face and I see not one ray of light on the horizon, I turn to Bhagavad Gita and find a verse to comfort me, and I immediately begin to smile in the midst of overwhelming sorrow. My life has been full of external conflicts, and if they have not left any visible or invisible effect on me, I owe it to the teaching of the Bhagavad Gita. Gandhi wrote in Young India, a magazine. Here it is said how Gandhiji is influenced with the scripture of the Gita. Gandhi read Gita first when he was a second year law student in London. That time his age was 20 and that time he was shameful. Up to now he did not read because Gita is sacred to Hinduism, like for the Islam Quran, like for the Christianity Bible. So Gandhiji's opinion was there that every believer should read the scripture of his or her religion, and that is required also, because whatever the principles, rules and regulations that we can come to know, only just a custom we are following, that is not sufficient for the believer. Gita is a song. The Bhagavad Gita is the song of God. That means song of heaven. So Gandhiji's valued it. When doubts haunt me, when disappointment stare me in the face and I see not one ray of light on the horizon. That means whenever problem is there, whenever disappointment is there, we are getting some guideline, some thoughts, some values from our holy book. So Gandhiji was getting from Gita and he was being comfortable. He was getting path. Whenever problem was there, he was getting path. Whenever external conflicts was there, he was getting some comfortability. And that was very good, because the Bhagavad Gita is teaching many more things. So therefore, Gandhiji wrote in Young India a magazine. Thank you very much.